Jagun Jagun.
Jagun Jagun. So, can you tell us your role in Jagun Jagun?
Arugba J, of course.
Arugba J. Yes, if you have seen Jagun Jagun and you want to see that babe, where when Latif entered Ajay town, Abi, Ilu Ajay, you understand? After when many people don't see the movie, they're going to talk and say, Latif, you're not supposed to buy Arugba J because when they go to it will be turned wrong. Look, we thought that one should do Ajay low. She might look back in the you know, this thing generates a lot of controversy on social media. But the person will be say, be Arugba J go. Where that white way Latif she wants and she didn't know movie new. What did you say? Oh, I'm going to live and direct here this afternoon. Now, can you tell me the challenges you have been facing since they feature you in that movie? And again, how were you even giving that role safe? She, Filmmaking go Lagbaja Buki, Mabo, you will have a funny role, Mabo. Watch Arugba J no Jagun Jagun.
No.
How come? How is she?
You got to share any pay or join normally. Mo kàn ní okay jẹ́ kí n kọ lọ location gbà tí mo gbọ́ pé wọ́n ya film ní Ọ̀yọ́. So I was like, okay, let me just go. So mo yẹ wá débẹ̀. So normally a fi alẹ́ wọ location wọ́n ní kí n tún mi pé mo máa ṣe crowd. I was like, crowd mo ní okay. Tó yẹ pé iṣẹ́ tó náà máa yẹ. Àwọn tó ń pè ní wakapas. Yes. Not the crowd, yes now. Okay. Pé tó yẹ pé iṣẹ́ tí mo máa ṣe náà tí mo máa jáde pé it's fine. So ọjọ́ yẹn mo ṣáà tún mi pé okay jẹ́ kí n lọ bá àwọn makeup o kọ́ bá mi ṣerun. So ibi tí mo ti ń kọjá first time tí mo máa rí Fẹ́mi Adébáyọ̀ ní location I was like ẹ káàárọ̀ sir wọ́n ní tá ló pè wá sí location mo wá ṣáà láti explain wọ́n ní kò need wọ́n ní kí yan ọkọ̀ ojú mi pé orí pé gẹ́yìn máa fit ròyìn so ọ̀tọ̀ fi fún mi ní. Arugba J ni ẹ. Yeah. Wow. So how do you feel when Fẹ́mi Adébáyọ̀ decided that he's going to give you the role? As in, how do you feel? Do you believe that the movie will go viral like that? Because so many people actually watch. No, it's one of the most watched movie in Nigeria last year. So do you think it will be like that? Not really, but I'm happy because I was like, wow. So when you were on set, what were you thinking? When you were on set? Because she pé bàtọ́ ni mo máa ṣe Arugba pé mo máa gbé kíni mo dẹ̀ mọ̀ bóyá máa ṣe àwọn kíní Ọ̀ṣun kíní àwọn ṣe láì ṣe láyọ̀ tó wá látó jẹ́ ìyá Ọ̀ṣun okay mo àwọn ìyá tó wà lọ́dọ̀ mọ́ ni mo grandma ìjọba mo máa ṣe wọ́n ṣàní kí wọ́n máa fi ní ẹ̀ ṣá máa fi so mo tọ́ ẹgbẹ́ fífi ẹni ìyẹn kéré àbí ó kéré tán so mo ti ṣàfi gbá ẹ pé Olúwa má ṣàyẹ kí gbá ẹ ìgbà. So and again, like I also asked a question. Do you think the movie will go viral like it did last year? No, more expect for my. You come and JB no ma film. Yeah. How do you now feel when there was a kind of controversy on social media? Time when you think so, kò yẹ kí although anyway you are not the movie director, you are not the producer, but I still need to ask you because you say you are a filmmaker. How do you think that time when you want to pé bí sí àwọn èèyàn sọ pé kò yẹ kó ń gbé ṣe dé mẹ́rin pé bí ó yẹ kó padà ní pé kò yẹ kó pa àwọn èèyàn ọ̀run ní ìlú ajé tó ń ṣọdún ajé lọ́wọ́ tó tún gbé igbá ajé rù pé kò yẹ kó ṣe because there was a kind of he made a statement of ẹ̀wù tó ń lọ lè tọ́jú but ó kọ̀ wọ́n pé ìwọ́n ràn níṣẹ́ ni what do you think about the comment of people on that scene on social media? Ọ̀yọ́ kọ̀ wọ́n pé èmi tí mo jẹ́ virgin kò yẹ kó pa mí. Ṣé wọ́n nìkan ṣe báwọn tó ń pa ń bẹ̀rẹ̀ báwọn tó gbogbo ẹ̀ tẹ̀wọ̀n ọdún ajé kó náà mú balẹ̀. Èmi tí mo tún jẹ́ decent girl kò yí sí kí n ò decent. Èmi tí mo decent odidi virgin tí mo kí para mi wọ́n dẹ̀ pa mi just like that. Báwo lè ṣe wá padà jí? Since then, what are the challenges you have been facing? Well, at least I know that movie actually brought you out a little, although you might not be there, but at least. So you understand what are the challenges you have been facing since they released the movie? So did you pay and we to talk about movie on? Normally àwọn èèyàn tó pé ọjọ́ yẹn gan mo mọ̀ pé so a lot of people got on message me so ẹ kàn ní nọ́mbà mi látọjọ́ ìtẹ message mi. Bẹ́ẹ̀ náà you want to say we start. Àwọn èèyàn gan fẹ́ lè sọ fún mi ọjọ́ tán bí mi pé ọ̀rẹ́ mi ọ̀rẹ́ ní day one gbá yẹn ní high school. Wọ́n ní wọ́n ní àwọn àṣẹ movie ẹ̀ kan kíní kan tó pé àwọn ex mi gan kan test mi. Wọ́n tún padà wá. Ọbẹ̀ bó lórí rẹ̀ tó. Ṣé kí n gbé jáde kíní kan I was like me that I'm busy so So how have you been coping because you are very pretty and all that. So how have you been coping with with guys and all that, especially in that industry because àwọn kan wà tá gbọ́ náà pé industry yẹn pé máa èèyàn máa wọ́n yẹ kí n sọ̀rọ̀ délẹ̀ ṣá but oyè máa bọ́jú lọ pé in industry pé àwọn èèyàn máa ń ṣe tí wọ́n ṣe kí ní gan pé especially àwọn obìnrin pé how have you been coping with your senior colleagues and
àbá mi náà tó jẹ́ bó jẹ́ bí àbí fans ẹ pé wọ́n dẹ̀ fẹ́ you understand so what do you do.
èmi máa fún ọ scope ní pé like ìkọ́ tèmi máa ṣe location èmi máa ṣe normal máa ṣe baby so tí máa ṣe pé ẹni máa ní ẹ̀wọ̀ mo máa pè wọ́n ní location father pé location father mi náà ní kíní kan so àwọn kan tí mo máa fi mú ọmọ
tí wọ́n jáde nìyẹn so wọn ò ní fẹ́ gbórí wọn pé wọ́n máa ní káwọn fínlẹ̀.
Yes.
So and again I want to ask your parents are they in support of what you do because I know so many people máa wọ pé ìwọ lè ṣiṣẹ́ kíní ìwọ tí mo fẹ́ kó lọ study lọ kó lọ ṣe kíní kan bí kó lọ ṣe bá some parents might not really like it from beginning. Are they in support that you should be an actor?
No.
Yes. Kí ni wọ́n ló ṣẹlẹ̀?
No, only because around 2017 okay by mo ṣe jump fún mo ṣe lesson fún jump
okay.
So this pé by to as by ní iṣẹ́ film tí wù mí tó pé láti lesson mo dey gba besa lọ sí location amalo 3 days.
Wait, is it in this Ibadan where?
No, Ekiti, okay. So mo lè gba besa lọ sí gini. So tó wá sọ pé grandma because by the grandma mi mo stay sí that in baza pé grandma pé ẹ ló booking ko ó tutù lọ. So that na pé ìwọ mo gini ko so as by but mo wá admission wá ní pé lọ máa ṣe film e dey film ló fẹ́ máa ṣe ni. So as by
okay, you gain admission.
Yeah.
Into which institution then?
Ekiti.
Which of school in Ekiti?
Boesti.
But it's okay.
Nikere, yeah.
So what happened? Did you continue with your education?
No.
What happened?
Only iṣẹ́ film yẹn ni kí n lọ máa ṣe. So mo it's not around but tó yá tí mo ṣá ń bẹ̀ on pé okay come on bínú around 2022 mo ṣe wá relocate sí Ìbàdàn padà báyìí mo wá bẹ̀ on pé kíní kan ó ní ara ṣe pé film tèmi ṣe yẹn tí kíní kan kí n ṣe mo wá gbà sọ pé wọn ò fẹ́ support wọn fẹ́ ṣe mo kúrò ní.
And that's your dream like you want to that is what you really wanted to do.
Yes. So
for this industry where you dey now, you get any role model? Person be say na you dey follow in footsteps. We say you like role model fit be male, fit be female.
Yes.
Okay, who be your role model for the movie industry?
Funke Akindele.
Wetin make you choose am? Shey na because say you do popular movie say people abi because say dem choose am as deputy governor of as a we be say be deputy governor for one party for Lagos State.
No, I love her, so that's why. So, yes.
No, I don't know. You never even tell me. You know if you just talk say you just love person. If you get wetin the person dey do wey make you like am now.
No. Nothing.
Yes. You like her.
I just love her. I love her attitude.
Okay.
Love her everything.
Okay, do you aspire to work with her anytime soon? Sure. How will you feel now? Funke just call you now and say, book him up or let me share.
I was just like, ma, where? When?
So, where would you like to be like in the industry in the next few years? Like where would you like to be? Like where you aspire to be? Don't talk now. No, serious now.
Where will I is it
like the stage as a level you would like to be, in the industry? But yeah, no, like you might have become like a, truly people know you now, but more. Like you mentioned somebody's name now. Because even aside that, gone like people like them, I'm very sure even as you are now gone, Abi. Pay Abi. Show now when you go to the place and they give you. That's what I'm asking. So where would you like to be like in years to come in this your choosing career?
Like my plan is to have my own like to produce my own movie.
Okay.
Yes, because I want to make money and I want to.
Okay, do you think you can only make money through production? Like when you produce a movie, is that the only way you can make money? No.
In this movie industry, yes, no.
See, the
only thing is for you to have your own money.
Yes, I also want to ask you because you talk about maybe Boeste or something like in Ekiti, like university in Ekiti. Yeah. So, what's your plan about your education now too?
That's why I said I want to have money. Okay. So if I have money, my plan is to go to school.
Okay.
Yes.
So, do you think you can combine education with that, or you just go for part time? Can you combine education with the work or the profession? Because it's not new. Only jẹ́ pé gbà tó bá bí gbà tí exam bá fẹ́ dé àbí test èèyàn ní location kan tẹ́ pé iṣẹ́ tó dẹ̀ máa lágbára tẹ́ pé you understand.
No, I can only go for part time.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if you want to go to university or probably to any institution now, which course will you study?
Normally business admin. Yes.
Okay, why? You don't want to study theater?
Let me just say busy at me. So
the way I'm seeing you will like money small. It's like when you even go to the movie, to the entertainment industry, like want to go to the business aspect of it. That kind of stuff.
yes.
So what are the challenges you have been facing? Can you tell us once again? I know you are my time. What are the challenges? General challenges like you have been facing probably from fans and from people and even from your friends and probably even your followers on social media. How people has not started coming to you? See,
that's it. Yes, because people are always like, this girl will have money. They'll just come to my DM and Bukola, please send me 20K. I was like, okay. If I have the 20K girl, I was like, okay, at least I have 20K. Let me keep 15K. So I wanted that, okay.
If you have maybe I want to do something.
No. I want to be saving. You know, I told you I want to produce my own movie. So at least I have like 15K.
What did you? So you mean you are selling for your movie production now?
Yes. So at least I was like, okay, maybe.
You really have plan for this thing?
I have plan. Like out of like 1 million now. For it's not like 1 million. At least we are still say like 20,000. I'll still keep it.
So I
was like, because some people just come to my DM and Bukola, please see. But I'm not pay home. It's down last Jetta.
That's like, although basically most of us that are in this industry, we are facing that. I feel that a lot too. Even these days, right? I remember me at open our messenger me on Facebook. No, serious now. Somebody who doesn't even know you at all. You say, I have my own personal family. I have my own personal YouTube. You just come to me, please. Have no eating. I have to get. I know they talk again because I don't know how to talk. You understand? Yeah. Is there any advice you have for the upcoming actors as well? You know, and when we talk about upcoming, it might not really necessarily mean age. Already, Mr. Koti, what I think we do along for Lanfani, Lati, the PB or Lati picture, Tabi to blue, Tabi to one she cinema right. Like people that are listening or that are actually watching us now, that have it in mind to come to the industry. What advice do you have for them?
See, my advice is just that. And me what they like. Ki ami àwọn pé mo kún ṣe fíìmù tí má ti tẹ̀lé star mo pé mi náà má ti tẹ̀lé star irọ́ ni o wà á máa gbé báàgì o
ṣé tí wọ́n máa ń tẹ̀lé ọdún adébáyé kò ní tètè star bí a kò máa gbé bá.
no kò rí ṣe pé àwọn star tẹ pé wọ́n sanwó fún ọ tó ń fi pè wọ́n sí location ni ṣé ok ẹ̀yin báyìí bí wọ́n pè yín síṣẹ́ ẹ wá mú mi dání azam bag ṣé ẹ̀yin má tún máa bẹ̀bẹ̀ pé ìjọba mi fọmọ mi náà ni wọ́n rò lórí kò yàṣẹ so that's the only advice mo lè fáwọn èèyàn ni pé káwọn èèyàn like kò sí èèyàn tó bá lè jẹ ọ̀gá tó bá ṣá because àwọn tó ti àwọn ọ̀gá yẹn tó ti ní star yẹn àwọn gọlú máa ń sábà àjọkọ ọmọ mi náà jẹyàn jókòó jẹyàn jókòó bọ́ọ̀ mi àwọn pé ó ti máa ti tẹ̀lé ọdún ayọ́kọ́lá mi ò lọ location náà láyé o so bọ̀ tó bá ní focus.
Okay, look at that one now. You follow someone to a location and look at what happened. Like, do you have any boss, like a kind of big direct boss? Do you have any direct boss? Do you have anyone?
Normally, I have boss, but my boss is in Ekiti. Okay. You know, I've already explained to you that Mama, father, so I have a lot of father. Hello, Bukola, Mama should be baby. So that Bukola, we are location Kawala Bekuta Mutulo. So àwọn elo máa tin pé ya, àwọn ló máa fight me pé ẹ bá mi for money ni ẹ bá mi for money road. So that's it.
Okay. Anybody to bango, abeyan to bango te pé baby they want to contact Bukola. I will not call your number because come on, they will call you finish. I don't know. You will just call you Tabo. We just allow you to just mention your social media handles. Yes. Your name on Instagram.
Bukola Bilo _1.
Okay, Facebook.
Bukola Bilo.
TikTok.
Bukola Bilo 80.
Okay, that's your name. So Bukola Bilo, you continue on but hope people are not impersonating you on social media, Sha.
No.
For now, you sure? But there's no other people that are probably using your picture and all that to say that they are Aruba J or something. I don't know. Because I don't know. It's like I came across the page. I don't know, Sha. Maybe it's still your page like that. I don't know, but I don't know. Yeah. So you just need to watch out for that. You know, when the fame comes, you know, it's normal. People will try and let people know. Come on, force or war scam account. Booking.
You come message me. It's not last month. And any. Please, are you Yaoshun? I want to pay my clients block me. I was like, look, come.
Probably because of your role. See the fella go me talk, see like smoking for inside movie and ritual scene. See, but I say they don't want time again. I think their thought is that this is like a kind of bad influence to the youth. What do you think about that? Are you in support of the federal government that made say moving scene and I mean ritual scene and smoking scene? They don't really want time again for musical video and for movie.
Let me say yes. Because they have their own reason.
Okay.
Yeah, they have their own reason. So I don't know. So because I don't. So let me just say I don't know, Sha.
No, if they won't do more any movie now, they can't talk. So okay, Buke come and do rituals and another. I go talk. Say you no go do. Don't vex on who? She even the producer. Which question they ask me?
Let me just know.
Okay, now from there go on decide what thing maybe you go do or you don't go do.
Yes.
Anyway, thanks so much. We appreciate you for coming to the program this afternoon. Yes, once again I have Bukola here, but let's say we go release book now and